That's some good coffee. Come here, Gordo. Come here. You're not gonna be quiet unless I'm holding on to you, huh? There you go. Now you can be in the shot. Hey, you're getting too big for this, though, you know? I can't hold on to you like before. Anyways, yeah, that's some good coffee. I like to support, local specialty coffee roasters, little brands and local brands. And those are some good beans. I noticed this is a light roast, and I noticed the light roast, and this one especially, is really hard to grind in my Vessel coffee grinder. It takes a lot of force to grind up them beans. Yeah, so we were up in Alabama Hills for a couple weeks up there, and things were going good. It was nice weather, and then all of a sudden it wasn't nice weather, and we ran into a spell of about 8 or 9 days of cloudy weather, and there you go, Gordo. Let's put you down. Yeah. And rain. And so we had to kind of exit the scene. Batteries, I got down to like 20%, and at that point I got to stop using the induction hob altogether because the voltage drop at that point will get so low that it risks shutting the batteries down, and then I have to restart them. I have to do that. So at 20%, I stop using the induction hob, and I have to do everything, including my coffee, outdoors. And when the weather's not nice, that's not so great. That's exactly when you want to. Oh, would you be quiet, okay? That's exactly when you do your cooking and stuff, and make your coffee indoors. And so we had that 8-day stretch of, not bad weather, but not good solar. It was one day I only got 80 watt hours of solar energy farmed and harvested, and we got batteries to total up to 5,200 watt hours. Yeah, so that wasn't much, and over a course of 8 or 9 days, the batteries slowly, little by little, whittled down to almost nothing. But I'm real happy with the way that performed, over that stretch, and to go that long without good solar and get by. Real happy with the way that was done. But I think I'm going to look at getting a DC to DC charger just for situations like this. It doesn't come up very often, but when it does, it'd be nice to maybe it'll be able to turn on a DC charger and get some charge into the batteries that way. It's we have a shore power charger. We could go to a RV site or a campground with plug-ins and get charged up that way. But I don't really care to do that too much, and I definitely don't want a generator. And so I think the solution to the extra thing I need is just a DC to DC charger, and I won't need that like maybe once or twice a year. The way it goes, it's I usually have enough power with solar alone. So the other thing that is kind of the forefront is the EcoFlow power unit that came with the Kimbo. It's kind of worn out. It's not kind of worn. It is worn out. It'll charge my laptop one time and then it's dead. So that's hardly nothing left in that thing. And it's a big, heavy unit, and it just doesn't make any sense to carry that around anymore. It's a lot of weight just for a few ports, and then it's just kind of a battery drain. Not doing me much good anymore. So we're gonna get rid of that, give it away, or take it to a recycling center. It's kind of, I hate to do that. You know, I hate to be a consumer like that because that's a lot of product there. It's, you know, 2 big units. And with that short of a lifespan, you know, I just like to see something like that last, you know, at least like a decade. You know, if it's going to be like that, they should make them serviceable to where you can replace the batteries in there. But this is not like that. So I could get another power unit, but that doesn't make much sense because it's just going to kind of sit there because I use the SOK batteries, which are fine. You know, they don't show any degradation at all, and should still have a lot of life in them. They have a 7-year warranty, so they should still have a lot of life left in them. And so we're not going to get another power generator. We're just going to get that DC to DC charger, and I'll be able to remotely start the SOKs in case they shut down with that DC to DC charger. And because I could do that with the EcoFlow before, but if I get rid of that, I won't have that capability.
Well, no,
Yeah, no, we're fine, Anna. You know, I'm talking to the camera, so that's going to be my solution. We'll save a little more weight by getting rid of that, and I'll have that space there for storage then. And yeah, it's kind of going to be a rainy day today, so we're just going to hang out here in the Kimbo, and we're going to watch a movie. I think we got enough battery left to do that, and just kind of stay warm here in the Kimbo. It's supposed to be a forecast for sunny days after this, so I'm not worried about using up the little battery power right now. With the movie, it usually takes about 5% of my battery to run it full. I have to run the Starlink while it's going, and we'll show you that setup here in a minute once I get it all set up. And but I have to run the Starlink, and the device itself, the laser projector, is registered with my Prime account, Amazon Prime account, so I can, you know, search and find movies directly with that app and with that device, and rent the movie or buy it right from there. So it makes it really easy to watch a movie. And it has a 1080p screen. It's got a nice screen to it. I mean, the picture is really nice. It's you know, it's got Bluetooth, so I can hook up my other speaker and have good sound. There's a speaker in it is not that great, but yeah, it's pretty nice to be able to watch a movie now and then. You know, we have the hi-fi stereo and got that going recently, but we've always had the laser projector and always been able to watch movies. Just a matter of getting it out and using it. So anyway, that's where we're at. Yeah, we're going to make an Amazon order, I think, and get that DC to DC charger, and that'll be a project installing that. And yeah, so let's watch a movie. Temperature light, and yeah, the pump's not going to run with that pump too hot light. So I got a hold of support at Geyser Systems, and yeah, so there's our laser projector people. Open it up and bypass right there. Anyway, it's let's get the camera set up a little closer. It's a unit by Nebula. It's 1080p projection, so pretty nice looking screen. That's okay, so for those of you who aren't familiar with the Geyser, with this one screen open, just close that down a little bit, and yeah, it's a pretty nice screen, huh, folks? Yeah, so this is connected to project board, a couple of pieces of project board to make it a little stiffer, and store that under the mattress. And it's just up there with a couple pieces of Velcro on the back side of that aluminum section for the entryway. and we store that under the mattress so it stays nice. I don't know if I said that or not. And yeah, it goes up real easy and comes down real easy, and real nice screen actually. So we can watch YouTube videos, and I can get on Amazon Prime and rent a movie right from the device here. It makes it real easy to watch a movie, find a movie and watch a movie, or sit here and watch my old YouTube videos. Anyway, folks, we're gonna find a movie and watch it. We watched Django Unchained up there in the Alabama hills. I thought that was pretty cool because part of that movie was filmed in the Alabama hills. So it was kind of cool watching that there. It's been a while since I'd seen that movie, so I thought I'd watch it over again. Well, we're going to find something new this time that I haven't seen. Anyway, folks, have a great day. We're going to watch the movie. Bye-bye.